Thank you for using Delta. Okay, click on home button and look at this. All scripts are edited successfully. Just click execute. And what's up, fellas, and welcome to my brand new review. In this review, I will show you how I got Delta Executor for Roblox absolutely free, safe, and online, guys. So let's get started. Go to the Google or any browser you have and navigate to this website called Upload, then type in search Delta Executor and you will find the online tool. Click there, guys, and I will have to enter our Roblox user ID. So if you don't know how to find it, just click here. So let me show you how I found mine. So go to your official profile on your Roblox and just copy your link. It's super easy. Let's get back to the R tool, and you have paste button, press that and press continue, and automatically you will get your profile. So user found. So the next step is select on button and select script that you want to add to your account, guys. So I will select this. So let me click continue and let's see the next step. Okay, guys, if you want to follow the latest review for Delta Executor, make sure to subscribe to my channel. I record more of these and review more websites. For now, this app loop is the best working method for this. AP connected, nice. Just scroll down and click I'm not a robot to verify yourself. Perfect, guys, and now we're on the manual verification step, the last one, the most important step. So what we need to do here, guys, we need to download 2 free games or apps or complete 2 simple questions. It's your choice. Just click here on free, click go, and it will start downloading from the official publisher where the app are downloaded. Complete the task. Below each task you have description what you have to do. So guys, I will download Travel Town and Modo Casino, so I'll be back after I complete these 2 tasks.
A few minutes later.
Okay, guys, I have just completed this task and this task. I got this message: you completed 2 tasks successfully along this redirecting text, guys. I'm waiting about 1 minute and nothing happens. So let's wait together and let's see. Nice, guys, verification successful. Thanks for passing the board check. Delta Executor is important to your account, guys. I'm so excited to test this. Okay, so let me open the game and let's test, does it actually work? So let's see, guys. Okay, so let me play this escape tsunami. And guys, I'm now in the game and look at this. We have this message: thank you for using Delta. Okay, click on home button and look at this. All scripts are edited successfully. Just click execute and join in your scripts. Okay, so yeah, that's pretty much it for this review. Thank you for watching and see you in the next. Bye.